Hello friends, this is Deepti. Today I will show you how to use Microsoft Word, and this video is specially made for beginners. So we have three options to open a Microsoft Word file. First method is just click right side up, go to new, and you can see the Microsoft Word document. You can open it like this. A new file will be open and you can just double click it with your mouse and the file will be open in front of you. The second method, you can open it by go to Start. Here, find the Microsoft Word option. Just click it. A new file will be open in front of you. See? And the third method is in search box, just write Word. And a Word file will be open in front of you. Double click it and you can open a third file. See document 1. Let me cross it. Document 2. Let me cross it. And one is still open, right? So, and here you can see the different tool in front of you, and these are the various tags. You can see document 1 is the title bar where I can see the title of my page, which is document 1. This is called as working area. This is called as quick access bar, and this is the status bar, and it is telling me this have only one page made. See, if I will bring my cursor here and I will press enter every time my, see, now this is 5 pages. We have 5 pages and I'm in page 1. And these are the vertical bars and these are the option you can see. This is full screen reading. This is print layout. Let me tell you how to use Word file. And we have a formula in Microsoft Word which is equals to RAND, and every time I press enter, this is the random word they have given me so that I can tell you how to use Word file. You can select any text by keep pressing the left side of the mouse and drag your mouse down. So this whole text has been selected. In home button, we have different options. You see clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and let me tell you first font. You can change the different styles of your text by this, or you can also increase or decrease the size of your text by this way, and or you can increase or decrease in this way, and this is called as bold. Every time you take your cursor to a point, it will give you the description with the shortcut key. Paragraph. I have selected only first paragraph, and bold will make your text bold. Italics, and this is to make it underline. This is format painter. So if you apply any style, for example, I'm giving this style spacing 1.5, making it underline tone. Now my cursor is here. I have changed the style of paragraph 1, and now I want the same style in my paragraph 2. So what I do, instead of doing it one by one, I will choose the format painter and my cursor is on that paragraph 1. Now I will select the whole paragraph 2, format painter, take all the style, give it to the next text. Okay, if I want to change the color of the font, I will choose it from here. Okay, and if I want to give different background, I can use this. I have to select it first, right? And now I'm selecting it. I can make it blue. This is blue now, or let us make it yellow again. So I can change it like this, and this is for style first. If I want to change the style, I can change it like this, or I can give outline in the color, whatever you want to give. This is clear formatting. So if I would select a text and if I will press this one, it will remove all the formatting of the text. So if I want to remove any format of the text, I have to just select and I have to press it. So all thing has been cleared. Now I will show you. This is to change or selected text in uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalization. So what I want to make it into capital letter, I have to choose this and I will convert into uppercase. See, very easy. If I want to make it lowercase, it is possible again, or I want to capitalize each word. So these simply things will make your work easier. See, and this is strike. I have selected this, and if I will press this, give a deleted text. This is specially made for mathematical persons who want to write a paper in mathematics. For example, if I want to write x, okay, x square mun. I am selecting this option and I'm choosing this. Okay, so very simple to use. See, this is called as superscript, or if you want to leave the gap, just z square. I want to write subscript, so you have to choose this option. Okay, this in this way we can write equations. Now let me tell you, these are the paragraph. Okay, these are the alignments of the text. See, everything is left aligned. See, it is not looking very nice here. Now, most of the books you read in schools have justified text. Now, everything is lined up like this. This is for right align. See, everything is aligned right side. This is left alignment. Everything is aligned in left side, and this is center track. Everything is aligned right side. So this is the alignment of the text. This is called as line spacing or paragraph spacing. The spacing between these two lines, if I want to increase it, I can increase it by 2. See? See the difference? I can remove, add space between a paragraph. Okay. And these are called as list. If I want to make a list, I'm choosing these are unordered lists and I should make it left aligned, right? I'm making a list of food eatable which is not present in my home is chocolates, lace, presenter, honey, presenter, and Coca-Cola. Okay, in this way we can make a list. You can choose different styles of the list. See, so these are the unordered list. And this is numbering library or numbering or ordered list. See the difference? Or you can make your own list. These are nested list. Okay. See? Hello, you. So this is called as nesting. List in a list is called as nested list. I hope you have understood. Background color, it is shading. The background color is white by default, and if I want to choose it and I want to give a different color, so I can highlight text by using this background color, or you can choose more color from here. It depends on you. These are custom color, you can choose any color. This is how we show our background. I want to give a boundary to this, then I should give outside border. See, you can see the border, and if I will choose color white, see the border is given. Now even I can select whole text, choose from border, and you can choose any type of border, outside borders. See, this is outside body, and now I will show you if I want to make it in alphabetical order. Everything will be sorted by ascending or descending order. So see, now chocolate is first, Coca-Cola should be first, C, A, C, C, and then H, and then H, and our last is Y. So this is for ascending or descending or in alphabetical order. These are the various styles which is inbuilt given to us, and you can use any style here. See, these are the different options which is available, or you can also change style by clicking here. You can also change the color by using this. Okay, and Control F, which is find. If I want to find anything, so just press Control F, or you can choose this option. Okay, if I want to write anything like most, most, search for me. So most is written here. It will highlight your text. Whatever you want to write, it will highlight your text. Now, I want to replace it, and this option is used especially in the movie Three Idiots, in which Chamatkar has been replaced by the word I don't want to use it. Okay, so most is replaced by, now I will choose replace. Okay, so I want to replace most with ghost, Ghost. Replace, if you have more option, replace them by all. This option has been used by Amir Khanji. And replace, so yes, okay. Search and replace. See, most is replaced by ghost. So this is are the various option we use in home.